In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have your Instagram data flowing into Looker Studio so you can visualize performance alongside the rest of your marketing metrics. Start by opening lookerstudio.google.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account for your workspace. If you manage multiple accounts, double check you're in the one where you plan to keep your data sources and reports. It's a small detail, but it saves headaches later. Once Looker Studio loads, head to the left-hand navigation and open Data Sources. This is where all of your connections live, and it's the place you'll come back to whenever you want to manage or reuse a connector. Next, create a new data source. This opens the connector gallery, which contains native, partner, and community connectors. You'll see a search bar at the top of the gallery. In that search field, type Instagram. Give it a second to populate the results. You may see more than one option, such as connectors for Instagram Insights or for advertising data. Choose the Instagram connector that matches the data you want to analyze in Looker Studio. Go ahead and click on Instagram to open the connector details page. Here you can quickly review what the connector access is and any notes about available fields. When you're ready, click Authorize. Expect two quick approvals. First, allowing the connector to work within your Google account in Looker Studio, and then granting it permission to access your Instagram data through Meta. If a pop-up doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow it for this site. During authorization, you may be asked to sign in to your Meta account and confirm access to the Instagram profile you manage. Most connectors require an Instagram business or creator account that's linked to a Facebook page. If you only have a personal profile, switch it to a professional account ahead of time so insights are available. After authorization completes, Looker Studio will establish the connection and prepare your fields. From here, your new Instagram data source will be available in your data sources list, ready to use when you build or update reports. If you manage multiple profiles, ensure the correct one was authorized so your charts reflect the right account. That's it. You've connected Instagram to Looker Studio, setting yourself up to build dashboards that track follower growth, post performance, and engagement trends with the same ease as your other channels. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, recheck permissions, make sure you have admin access to the Instagram profile, and retry the authorization flow.